Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to embark on a journey into the enigmatic forest, delving deep into the lives of the creatures hidden among the trees. From stepping quietly into their habitats to understanding their behaviors and survival strategies, we will take you on a wondrous adventure. Our first stop takes us through the gates of the forest. This mysterious land is teeming with a variety of creatures that have adapted to this ecosystem, creating a delicate balance. Look, there's an adorable fawn. They are one of the forest residents, often seen frolicking and playing amidst the trees. Their sensitive ears and keen sense of smell allow them to quickly detect potential dangers. Next, let's meet an intelligent friend. The foxes are renowned for their cunning and agility, searching for food on their own in the forest or hunting in small groups as night falls. Another marvel of the forest emerges: the fireflies. Their twinkling lights attract companions and food. The firefly light display is a beautiful spectacle of the forest night. Close your eyes and listen to this wonderful chorus. Forest birds are performing a captivating symphony. They use their songs to mark territory, attract mates, and announce the start of a new day at dawn. Dear friends, the forest is a mysterious realm, brimming with diverse forms of life. Through this journey, we not only gain insight into forest animals, but also develop a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. May you pay closer attention to and protect this precious oasis in your future explorations. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share this marvelous adventure with your friends. Until we meet again in our next exploration.